The incredible journey of making colorful crayons starts with paraffin wax. This special wax is the main base material that gives crayons their smooth and waxy texture. The wax and pigments are carefully loaded into trucks. They are now ready to travel to the crayon factory. The truck travels across the countryside, carrying all the important materials needed to make crayons. Every delivery is checked at the gate for safety and quality before entering the factory. After security check, the truck finally enters the crayon factory. All the raw materials have arrived safely. Inside the factory, the truck reaches the unloading zone, where the materials will be taken out. The wax and pigments are carefully unloaded and moved to the storage area inside the factory. The wax and pigments are quickly unloaded.
Put that pallet over there!
They will now go through the first processing steps inside the factory. The paraffin wax is stored properly before it is sent for melting and mixing with colors. All the raw materials are now safely stored. The actual crayon making process is about to start. Different colored pigments are stored safely, so they can be added later to create beautiful crayon colors. Workers put on safety gear before starting work. This keeps the entire crayon making process clean and safe. This is the heart of the factory, where wax and pigments will be mixed together to make crayons. The raw materials are now ready. The actual process of making crayons is about to begin. The solid wax is now melted at high temperature in these big tanks. This liquid wax will become the base for the crayons. Different pigments are carefully added and mixed into the liquid wax. This step creates the beautiful colors of the crayons. The wax and pigments are blended for a long time until they become a smooth and even-colored liquid, ready for molding. The metal molds are thoroughly cleaned and prepared. Soon they will be filled with the hot-colored wax. The hot-colored wax is poured into the molds. This gives the crayons their classic round shape. The hot molds now enter the cooling tunnel. Here the wax cools down and becomes solid to form perfect crayons. The molds are cooled so the wax becomes solid. This is an important step to form perfect crayons. The solid crayons are gently removed from the molds. They look bright, smooth, and ready for the next step. The solid crayons are gently ejected from the molds. Hundreds of crayons are produced every minute like this. Each crayon is carefully checked for quality. Only the perfect ones move forward for packaging. Each crayon is carefully inspected to make sure it meets the high-quality standards before packaging. The crayons are now complete and ready for packaging. The final step is about to begin. Crayons are sorted according to their colors before they are packed together in boxes. The crayons are neatly arranged and filled into their colorful boxes by high-speed machines. The boxes are sealed and labeled properly, so customers know exactly what they are buying. Multiple boxes are packed into big cartons. This prepares them for distribution to stores worldwide. The crayons are now fully made and packaged. They are ready to bring color and creativity to children everywhere. Every box goes through a final quality check. Only the best crayons are approved for shipping to stores. The cartons are securely sealed, so the crayons stay safe during transportation. The cartons are sealed tightly and labeled properly. Customers know exactly what they are getting. The cartons are neatly arranged on pallets. This makes it easy to move large quantities of crayons. The cartons are arranged on large pallets. This makes it easy and safe to transport large quantities of crayons. The pallets are wrapped with plastic to protect the crayons from dust and damage. This is for protection during storage and transport. The finished crayons are stored in the warehouse until they are ready to be sent to stores around the world. The crayons are loaded into trucks for final dispatch. They will soon reach shops and children everywhere. The trucks leave the factory carrying millions of crayons. They are ready to spread color and creativity all over the world. And this is how millions of colorful crayons are made every day in modern factories. The finished crayons are stored in the warehouse. They are ready to be sent to stores around the world. The crayons are carefully loaded into trucks for final dispatch. They are ready to reach shops and children everywhere. The trucks leave the factory carrying millions of colorful crayons to spread joy and creativity across the world.